Hello ladies and gentlemen, what's up? It's Papa Bale and welcome to the channel. Uh, we're checking out the Utron. I've got, this is the mechanism that's going to run it in the end, something like this. This is just an iteration though. This is probably not going to be the final build. It's got a maglev, goes in the middle of that. But right now we're just going to run it on, this is the cool part about this whole thing. I'm going to run it on 9 volts, okay? I'm printing my new 8 magnet rotor. It's going to be 100% infill toroid with a spot for a maglev. I'm building it all into it this time. It's going to be flywheel application. It's an 8 mag rotor. It's kind of hollow in the middle. There we go. There we go. Just needed a little bit more momentum to trigger the switch, which is a trigger coil. That's our input. That's pretty sweet. I say that coil is badass. Very cool. This is also another 8K camera test. Just, checking it out, seeing if it's worth the wait, basically. Let's check out the rotor and see how it's going. Yeah, just this one spot, like right there, the support came off, so I might have to redo this. We'll see how it goes. It shouldn't need it, really. Like, it doesn't need the... It's going to be awesome. Look at how fast that's still spinning. That's so cool. So this rotor is going to be 100% infill. It's going to be really heavy on the outer rim. And it's going to be virtually weightless in the center. But I'm going to have a toroid, one of these 4 inchers, chilling so it'll be magleved. Oh, it's gonna be so cool. I just gotta keep an eye on that one part right there. Mm. And this, we're taking this down today. Uh, yeah, so I don't know. We're kind of in a flux right now. Just before the impulse. Yeah, this might need to be redone. Everything else looks, okay. But I do like the response we're getting from the Utron north out. The maglev's a little lopsided, but it's been working so far. There is going to be a little bit of added friction for that bump. So cool what the thicker gauges can do for you and like lickety split. Wow, the residual on the meter here is like 3 volts. That's crazy. Well, I think this is really cool just the way it is. But we're gonna put this in here and run it on 9 volts. But I need to make 2 more coils. See how I only have 2 coils on there? It's interacting weird with the 4 magnets, so I need to put 2 more coils on here and run it. And see, this is a reed switch. So this is the mechanism. You got your power supply, you got your reed switch, and you got your coils all on the rotor that goes in the middle of the Utron. It's going to be freaking awesome. I might get into like solder some stuff in. Finally, I got my soldering kit right over there. It'd be like a first time, thing, but I think I can do it. Like just solder over like our twist connection. And these are 20 gauge coils. Don't know if a 9 volt's going to be enough for that. We'll see. This is a work in progress. Definitely going to see it through though. Thank you very much. Peace out. Have a wonderful day. Please subscribe. Bye now. AK test.